Monday, April 7th, 2025. Showing Kindness by Wayne Greenawalt, Wisconsin, USA. Read Galatians 6, 1 through 10. Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud. One day, while engaged in a transaction at the drive-up window of my bank, I dropped the canister containing my receipt and driver's license. It popped open when it hit the pavement, and its contents were scattered by the wind. I thought my license was gone forever. The next day I was elated when the bank teller called to inform me that my driver's license had been found. Someone came across it and handed it over to the bank. Indeed, I continue for this act of kindness. Kindness and love are inseparable. When Paul describes the qualities of love, he writes, "Love is kind." Jesus was kind to others and asks us to do the same. During his journeys, Jesus comforted the bereaved, ministered the sick, and fed the hungry. Jesus was patient and kind to his disciples. Even in his dying hours, he showed kindness and compassion to the thief beside him. As beneficiaries of Jesus' kindness, may we look for opportunities to show kindness to others. Loving God, thank you for the kindness you've shown to us. Help us to be kind to others as you have called us to do. Amen.